Hello guys, welcome to our channel Vonos Autos Engineering. Today I want to show you how to diagnose your alternator using a multimeter. And firstly, what is a alternator? Alternator is a electromechanical devices that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So now I'll show you how to carry out diagnose on the alternator. Here is our car battery, and this is the car alternator. This is where the alternator located. So when the car is running, the alternator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in order to charge the battery and other electrical system of the car. So now here is my multimeter. In order to test if your car alternator is charging or the battery is in good condition or not, so you have to use your multimeter, and we need to set the multimeter in the appropriate range. We are setting it at the 40 volts range. If you are measuring voltage, you have to set the multimeter range above the component or the voltage that you are testing. So this is our positive terminal, and here is the negative terminal. Here is our positive probe, here is our negative probe wire of the multimeter. So you place the positive multimeter probe on the positive terminal head, then you place the negative on the terminal head. The battery is reading 11.87. okay, now the voltage of the battery has dropped. It's supposed to be 12 points, but it has dropped based on maybe the radio inside is on and some other things that require electrical charge. Okay, now let's start the car and see what is the alternator output. Wow, I have started the car and the car is now running. Okay, let me show you one thing here. Before you start a car, make sure that you check the battery light. If the battery light is on, then you start the engine and the battery light goes off. It shows you that the engine is working and the alternator is charging. That is what it shows you. But let's carry out test. Okay, now we have to diagnose the charging system while the car is running. Let's see what is the output of the charging. Here is our positive terminal and this is our negative terminal. Okay, now the multimeter is reading 13.7. okay, 13.7 volts. It means the alternator is charging. Okay, let's see how much voltage the battery has received from starting of the engine. Now I'm now going to remove the negative terminal head, which is this. While if your car is charging, when you remove the negative terminal head, the car will continue running. Okay, let's test the voltage now. It's reading 12 volts. That means the alternator is in good condition. And immediately I start the engine to charge the battery back.